Hi everyone, I'm Miri from Gryffindor, and a week ago, I think on Wednesday, yes, on Wednesday, I went with my best friends to a camp. Well, we have a camping day, and we spent the night there, and it was super fun. And today I'm going to show you some pictures about it, and well, so I hope you like it as much as I did. And background change here, but let's jump to the video. For watching. I know this video was a little bit short, but the problem was that I didn't took a lot of pictures there because I don't know, busy doing other things than just checking on my phone. So, but anyways, I hope you like it, and we'll see you very soon in another video. Thank you for watching.